Today we're actually going to be tackling some of these wires on the amp here. When I bought this truck, it had really bad ground and power. I just did the power just to see if I can actually do it, and it turned out okay. I mean, would I say it's professional? Not by any means. We're going to strip back this ground wire, attach these to it. So, yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so some tools you'll need is definitely the actual connectors themselves, some kind of crimping tool. I'm using a knife, a Walmart special. Make sure that your battery is actually disconnected before you actually attempt any of this. Oh, interesting. This was actually jammed in between the underneath bit. As you can see, yeah, at least what I'm doing or attempting to do is actually a lot better than what this is. And these aren't an exact match. They have to like be wedged in there, so there's that. So let's go ahead and trim this off and start with the fresh part of the wire. Just a rat's nest. There we go. Reinstalled it. And it's a lot more secure. Now it's got to do these other ones. So just put you on time lapse. adjusting it. Works. So it actually ended up working out. So I mean, did what I could do, and I have adjusted the wires a little bit. I used to have a nasty humming noise, but it seems to be fixed.